Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm just going to be showing off my Honda Civic. It's turbo, currently making 226 kilowatts at the wheels, just about 302 horsepower. It's currently in a bit of a state. Some of my friends know the situation already. I just thought I'd share with you guys. I hope you like the video. So as you can see, it's a bit of a mess right now. So basically, about 2 years ago, it got red labeled. If you don't know what a red label is here in Australia, so basically means that you're not allowed to drive it on the street legally until the red label is removed. In my case, I had a non-airbag steering wheel. The wastegate is venting to atmosphere, which isn't allowed. So that needs to be plumbed into the exhaust system. And then I got to get the turbo engineered pretty much, and then get it registered, and it should be back on the road. So at the moment, it's been in here for quite a while. As you can see, it's pretty messy. Needs a wash. So hopefully the car's not too loud. This is pretty much the basic current state that it's in. Not looking its greatest at the moment. As you can see, it's got these trash side skirts on. I had to buy them separate because unfortunately I got rid of the original ones that came with it. I did have a body kit on earlier, so we've still got some silicone from the side skirts. I've got a rear lip that I need to put on, so that should bring it down. One thing that's annoying about the original lip. You can see how high it is compared to the side skirts, so that should bring it down. Sorry about that. At the moment the interior is looking kind of crappy. So I put the original steering wheel back on. Just got to clean it up, put all the stuff back on. Got trash everywhere. So yeah, that's pretty much the state that it's in right now. It's been about 2 years in the garage, so so yeah, I got new headlights. As you can see, these ones are all trashed. So I've got to install the new headlights. I'll probably do that when I get it painted. Yeah, I'll fix up the gutter rash. Got some brand new fenders for it. So yeah, I gotta fix all that, get all the residue off. Yeah, so I'm going to give it a wash, put the seats in, and yeah, it should be ready to go.